ya to ba be kan e de fro o predictions ni no ja na fatu na me ba be e de fro no sa so na wo Sompa TV on YouTube no ya ba na be message ni pi no e de fro answer kra na be wura mo our the nations rumbly ni akofa first 45 minutes live commentary de fro de aba no na meka yes amon sam e de acho but I say NCT Leicester Ghana Limited and paying for and about Thomasia said live commentary de bro now about Leicester Ghana Limited and paying for some bisao set toothbrush ben now usual and I said toothpaste ben now usual about your toothbrush and I say NCT what the point say I send a quadamount about your mama Ghana memu de papa now man say I dey atumo I just toothbrush now just toothbrush and papa and I said toothbrush and I said toothbrush anymore designer on a bois Emma ode e pause ya e ba che ewura me ba che ose achi e boa eyi me pa che okone o nyina no eyi edifro no se wode di ena bi aka na akokosha osinima ya toothbrush ana me comfortable ababoa na pa che efin bi akokosha sim no aduane bi aka mu no eyi enso so e de efro ma oseno anya na pomu de obi akokama kama e de ama anya no koyo ya toothpaste na toothpaste e ma hodo miensa jo ya total care na ya total care na boa na pa che no na aboa ma hwate se ayen carbon e be e de fuo me ba cha en carbon e me ba cha won so obi antimi nka nche wa sha asumusiam obu apasumusiam pa akona wakawe hasimasimuntie na akowura me ba cha uhia ja total care e be boa na ba cha mo ni madam e be boa na ba cha di wakagire mo na bibi akokama e de ama ya whitening e no de bia me ka de cha se de no nam se e be boa na ma o sena fita kama ja se ba no so ba de ama e hama ene de aye etu kodwom me ba cha kodwom so benya ya se ba ne bi no atode akoto fie na busuane mo nyina e ti ayisu be boa na ba cha ma o sena nya hodem e be boa na yin kabane e be boa na ba cha o sena anya hodem kama na so wati mase e be boa na ba cha so wati no dofo adi asumusema ya se ba ena me comfort adema odi woni echemu adum PZ on sa abakan sa so na kejetia about jawo hanom jeramba na fe Leicester Ghana Limited 0501 390 337 and 0501 390 338 to fana mana on sabaka Leicester Ghana Limited na one empire for the corner kwaje ya toothbrush and o ya toothpaste na bibia so akokama on na so asen na nyime ya tena se ya de Ghana Premier League match day 26 ya de hon semen e de baba somo hat to fogbo bokono and Carolina United omo agina kono ena nyimwe e the Nations Rumbly Accra Sports Stadium jebani awumo na fa branch fa na yawo on the live comment channel at also the Amai.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. I need you can want. The ration more. I day what dog can want. I need you can want. The ration more. Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah Gyan, we've been there. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. I need you can want.
Well, we saw for some of the Bibia to Tomo, the Nations Rumbly, the Accra Sports Stadium. My brand friend Anaya ono aya card ahoma no so hwe na for the first 45 minutes comment you know at the abre dedi kan e man tedu ba ko be na esi aka na two teams no nyina no na ya e de betu dwa e de ama hello Nana otemenka hello Nana Nana bi bia de dem wow, and then you may own our the Nations Assembly Accra Sports Stadium. Hearts of Fogo Krone Carolina United. And I did any Chamfonica Kafame. Said the atmosphere city. A man tell you about Kobe and Asia cancer them for them. We are now the live commentary not to us so they might take for tears on par 93.1.
All right, across
hello, Nana.
Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League.
What was your fun? I line a breaky.
Emmanuel Clotte.
And they didn't come on now. Originally enough, you know. But the lineup, they two teams in there, two giant. And I'm saying, none you made here. I'm paying better with the Nations one billion. It's you be able to turn a bassa joining a Naya. Now, if you are to say live commentary,
back again. This is the days of Joe Debra. We've been there. The Vision One League is back again. And the days of Ebo Smith. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again.
What me and Sam Romo? Hello, Nana Otemenka.
Yeah, Saturday we don't go.
Aha, Fred Muda, first now line break.
Okay.
Aha, Jinaye kakra bi fama o line no.
Okay. I'm the audio. Man to some somehow. Once again, here might be for a test component 3.1 from the Nations Assembly. Ghana Premier League match day 26 between Hartlepool, the home side, and Carolina United, the away side. And Champion Man from Manchester, Mark to the back where shop there. I'm a pandemic in our M2 Media. Manisha from Hartlepool, which are or return it back to post. It's time to last two games in a Atlantic and Yaponia and Sakan from Hartlepool. And then the first show of for Hartlepool, Richard Atap, Opi Agasima, captain for the Jason number 15, Sansora Michael Ampadu, Great Jordan Otanga, Hamza Inka, Thomas Minini, Martin Kakari, Inakatumantin, Kasim Cecil, Linda Ntangi, and our famous Denison Kumakosa. Wait a minute, man, Makuba, the back where shop, the Yamaha Okupimo, our bencher, Omotra Bench, Yamaha and we think it's David Ponafani, Shaw Aman Kwampefi, Salifu Ibrahim Jimalia, Gideona Santia was Rashedu, Isaac Sampon, Alumadam, and our famous Ramos Casala one day, Santa Refi, Maxwell Owutu, Isaac Odum, line 1, Sanso, Isaac Asante, line 2, fourth official, Lord Nete, and Orchestra Asante, March Commissioner, and Tantamo Santa Refi, Senabing, one about the GE. Carolina United, Alpha War, I will say through. Piano, Comedy, Carolina United. Almost try BB, Nanso. What are you showing? Assistant line 2, Isaac Asante, Abrante in the Europa, or you're saying. Also, any behind the Feno. Mamifa Carolina, so Elena Primaudia, Nasero Abdul Karim. Onone goalkeeper Emma Carolina United and Emmanuel Anfu, Aya captain, Solomon Abuaji, Jafi Humin Mohamed, Abdul Rahman Yaya, Mohamed Asigri Sulemana, Yasu Ibrahim, Abdul Latif, Mohamed Awal Al-Hassa, Ma Farouk, and Rashid Al-Hassa, Where Musliman Tiribakwa, Ejremo Ama, Carolina United, Udwari Chemo, Awa Bencha, the Komase Obre, Arasa Fenamua, and Manchester Sinabam Abatwas, Carolina. Adam Baby, Afid Abdul, Ganil Mohamed Abdul, Maxwell Ajima, Abdul Patel Mohamed, formerly of Hartlepool, Eric Aqua, Samuel Asidu, Maxwell Asa, and Hafiz Abdulai. The first shot on target, I call Eddie Hartlepool down to goalkeeper Nasiru Abdul Karim wasabora mukice ari Makawela United okiamora ari akori sasamo ari Makawela okiamora ari Bafiti Oriama Abraham Mohamed Asif Sulemana Nasu Kawela kusikita bono refisa tamtu Anton Pantia hatafu tamtu ya Gloria hatafu Awa Santala wa Showing Oriama Kawela watubona ntantam itreko yemo Nasu Dennis Kumakosa wapembona ya player Ibrahim Jiasu Ibrahim hole jina waliso another showing Kofi Agosime wakati bwana traffic tena ya kudetia hatafu attacking showing the kana asimani roko simaniensa atafoki shebi sasa na Kawela United shebi haya tumpana in the 3-1 the best position in the country attacking showing the Kawela Toronto the Treko Yemo Panyai body Kasi Humid Mohamed JC number 15 Kasi Humid Mohamed when you saw Oriama Kawela the second Asima Komiensa 3rd minute Kasi Humid Mohamed watch what Oriama Kawela United had to folk watch it turn one so possible one to tell Linda wapiamwana Yama Abrante Diade Kasim Sisi Naso Kone Ton Pancho Yatore Kawela United Atapo Yachaka Kai Amana Shosta Tibrimuno Bwana Mada Kitani Sekona Kosa watching Chaso wapiana Abrante Diade Masika Kakai Bwana Eko Bwana Say Naso Santa Lasim Asawa Fire Mopante Kawela United Bobia Kaidi it's a tough over the second time already a higher did down now Kawela United are to carry Kani and in a habit in some promo a habit in Osameshi a habit in Audoni a habit in Tafosi a sorry about it to Kawela United at the folk and it's a monarchy Martin Kakala Pedabole to at the folk and welcome go to Kawela United Memorial to Gloria Hatterfolk. Hatterfolk on a Tony Kabako, Kofi Agbasima, Opebwana Diamanda Kamakosa, Kofi Bacho Agbasima, Captain for the Fed, El Capitano, Wapiadama Richardata, Wapiaboya So, a Kakete, and Kabona Ayudiama, Hatterfolk, attacking train you, attacking train and resulting in the first goal. Attacking train and resulting in the first goal. Watsabano, Ponikita Kawela United, do a Chera Carbonato, Michael Ampadu, Opiamora di Afio, Buona Kawela National Control Bono, Buona Trasso, e Fena Yaturi Kawela United, Michael Ampadu, Nakupabono, one can cancel, a Fubon Gentamo, or Buona Ama Bratanedi, Kasim Sisi, Kasim Grabonaso, Naso, Buona Trasso, e Fena Yaturi Tiago. After time, 1 2 Naso, Santo a PAFA Yamonpantia, Kawela United, Leicester Ghana Limited, a pure Yasu place, and a Yasu Black, or the Abacamato, Yasu Black, and a Yasu place. I rest at Evacuaha, and I say, I have a walk, and you will be an animal one cup. The returns of the Varo Pro Pompai, and no I the Botanicane, or be an animal Inca. Ogobaro Pro Pampai, Tanka Awanua, one in the big girls in the Castano Mukomachi, who are personal warfare, who are Ankara and Koya, boys in the Marco, on the Marco, Nanso, a Papa was in Syria, and my boys in the Amanco, what about Ufi by you, Nanso, and you say by you, and your Sentinel of the Atibabia, and don't see yes to brush and a yes to face. If you better master, then I will be to brush and your mona, your duke, your princess, duties, Tanso and I will chase to brush. Tanso and I buy a yes to face enough. You yes to care, yes herba, and a yes whitening, yes whitening. And then I will say pita. Omo I want some tower. Say a cigarette and I no more. And I say one of coffee. That one of coffee about Senase. Now open a 2 plate. And now say 2 glass there. And one and a year 2 plates and a year 2 glass. A big and Candiara. And so and a car DT. And then I open now one day. And one and a year 2 plates and a year 2 glass. The open of the door to a tower. 050 139 0337 and 050 139 038. Over Leicester Ghana Limited. We are Ajum Peter Kayatia runabout the home. And I don't Leicester Ghana Limited. Sekana Siramako Mako watching. However, United of Sabako had to put the entire Chincano. However, United on the 3rd minute. And Duffy who made Mohamed and break here the majority of the game. You have a poor Koviamu, Thomas Winnie, or people on the Kalana United, Kalana, Nassau, shot and blood, about the Martin Kakari, or people on Tanta, or the Borneo Koma, Captain City, about the Linda and Tanga, Linda, or people on the Martin Martin Kakari. Bora Pinipa, a very color in a Terminal, Ibrahim Dyson, Yamoro, Bora Babaji, Solomon Abuaji, Bora Comadia, America sent for the food, Popia Decima, and Decima President Wakamo, America, Carla, Wapiamor Mohamed, Asigri Sulemana, Asigri, Wapiamor about the Kumapamu, Carla United, Ato, Nassau. Michael Ampadu, the Piabona Trasher, and the Troy I told yesterday at the food, and Santa Mohamed of Julalasa, Alwal Mahal Hassa, Bona Trasher, you have a body at Carla United, Michael Ampadu, and a Toyin Rada, and a Temple, you have 2 at Carla United, Michael Ampadu. Formerly of leadership professor, formerly of Lagos City, and the Sinakaima Hatapu, America Saint City, Kasim, Ayaperia Peria, Kasim Tiago, Ayapia Yesua, Ayapia Peria, Matica Curry, Yama Batani, Denison Kumakota, Costa Fasano, Na ISA Nato, Linda Chincheso, Otanga, Accessibility of the Papamu. Patapu, you look at the mountain, pushing a passer, Michael Ampadu, and a harmless one, Abdul Karim, harmless one to Abdul Karim Nafiu. Kerala United, asked by a goal to know. Kalena, Kaisho Ibrahim, Giasu Ibrahim, Giasu! Walk up, go kick out the Pokemon, Kalena, Richardata, Ostiana Brancher, Ostemunko, Ostemunko, Otarata, Remonkumano, Wapedabora, Yapria, Kasim City, Wakonso Bono, Justice of Flamas continue. Kaya must continue. Kaya United, the one of the fuel, Michael Ampadu, a control beautifully, Nassau, Bona Trasher, attacking Toya Heart of Hope, attacking Toya Heart of Hope. Kalala Ebirina Boni, we are asked by a goal to know, what the carrier for himself, Leicester Ghana Limited, Leicester Ghana Limited. Almost the years 2 black and a years 2 thick. I would have a chamaso. The open a year and Fama Ayahumika, the flushing bread. 2 glass and a 2 fish American Flamano. Yes, two face and a yes, two black. Yes, two face, and a yes, two black. Someone who will be two personal. Mona, Zero, Face, Princess, Duty, Sanso, and a more kid, two black. Sanso, and a about with a different two face, two personal. Yes, two cat. Yes, and a yes, whitening. And not with cinema, Peter. Yes, whitening. I can't know. Naka osha ni ma yana na no me choma sema msile pitana no be ana ya sabi ya mu tu face no enti se opatu no mu senteni ya kama dia ya tanfo ya so glass ana ya so so dia ma e dia na wa smoke ya ma wasena aya kokko o sene kala na pita ya yellow ana so wannan kafita ma wasena pita ya so glass ana ya so face ada kala ni na amma en kabiya wo mu Franco and a Nema so the Pomana was Senemuno. A time on Yahoo Ding. Open the door to Nakoma. 050-139, 0337. And after 050-139, 0338. So let's take around our PZ. I don't get it yet runabout. Or another who Leicester General Limited. The second Marco Juliansa. How to say what I saw come out ultimately. On the 10 minutes, and I'm talking who mean. Appreciate it, but you didn't the game. The Korea Mukastin City. Kona Babati, Carolina Terrafamu, Customerton, for half the 4 kilos, what Pianama Michael and Padu, and Paduba train a Customerton, the 4 control from in a Customerton, Carella, or my service association, what get the Carolina United. Oh, beautifully. Atola Chief, what's your person? If you want to say for more, I have to appear. Jensen come Costa, but then what to say? If you want to say come on, Kofi and Basima, captain for the side. Once you come on to, or the Mama Tinker carry, or give a person, whatever Jensen come Costa, Kofi and Yaborso, or the coming come from home, Costa Sanajin, if you want to fit you, oh, Tanga! Clint Jordan Otanga, shut out Boyano, and number the crowd. Welcome, Coach Kaya Bodia, Hatafo, Abdul Curry and Dafiru, or Katana Mountain, Mukum, the South of defenders, Ramonadom, Upampiamo, push it, Nafiru, Opena Bodia Tokoviamo. Michael Ampadu, Pebora, Kakarisha Pebora de Marcati. What I say, a Babadia Bantanedi, Giasu Ibrahim, Giasu, on the Bonico, a Saria Bodia Hatafu, both Medicare has been shown to Martin Kakari has been shown in yellow card. Martin Kakari, Santoro. Mascara issue. Or the Hokasha Martin Kakari. And the Saria Bodia Gloria Tatafu. Highest component in trade of 1. Second Simama Kutulu. Out of 4-0 Kerala United 1. 3 go! And the corner kick here Bodia Tatafu. And the corner kick here Bodia Tatafu. I must be frank and sincere with you. I have to go to first trainer. Over Jumaya. Richarata. Corona also one Asana or Chimona Kokona. Go to first trainer from Asafu. Say all left the game. Over Jumaya Yepa. Corner kick here, but it's Asafu. Corner kick. Open the ball to the ball. Richarata. I got the ball of a crush here. And I walked on good here, boy. You see a Korea United. 16 minutes of play. I have some permanent trade of 1. The best force station in the country. Richarata. Okay, ball. The Korea open. Korea United. Kasim City. Or the Panama. Hamza Isa. Do a share academy. Hamza. Of the Perasinaso. What is the players continue? Michael Ampadu, Wapiabona de Martin Kakari, I have Peria, Martin Kakari, Oredo Kerakamu, do what you can move. What you want, buddy? Bono, Bobby, I was Bono. Bobby, let's go. Here, Bobby, play a job on a zero. I'm not surprised. Why not surprised? Yes, that's how I'm good. And I said it is easy. Because if you can just people play the that over the mark. Last week, hard. And go start. Maybe. I'm about to check. The same time. I don't know what they do at the training ground. Alright, so start as a first supporter. But we are going to sit your boss. Put your ball and a mobile bar. You know, that's one thing. Then I don't have a kind of 3 years in your mom go to the answer. Want to keep your phone. You want to get a canoe. Then think to my daughter. I saw one. I saw outside your offense here at the folk. The second Marco, do watch it. Laxagara Limited. Laxagara Limited. Or the Yas 2 face, Yas 2 glass, or the other Jamaso. Chair open the glass in the whole of the Casata. And now when you get a polo, when you Sentinel, and maybe Cinema was a Sentinel, Archibabia, one Sentinel, one Sentinel, one Sentinel, the other ball. The fellow of the Valley to campaign. I want to say the command blade. And now the Babawa, what dressing come and also Okasa, the Mountain Equality. Big on the side. When I'm an almost of the Valley to campaign, one of the Sentinel Contain. They can 4 years to face, cancel and years to blast. I know, and I make them for the amount. I'm more in different times. So I years to blast. I'm more, this is Mona, Duke, Princess, Duchess, and also our case to blood, the Chancoradia, 2 presidents from Omo Yas Chuke, Yas Heba, and the Bra and Ra, and a Habani Yas Habano, and a fellow Yas Whitening. I don't know what I Vita. A year to my Conyano, Yas Chuke. Yes, so bad. A bar also now by a year and can be a 2 hour. And so, and I did the other Concano. After 4, and never go yes, oh. After the essay. Oh, it's a half a 4 parallel. 1911 club the parallel. Ayo, let's get limited. Over to me after Omo, the open door to Kotoa, 050 139 0837, 050 139 338. Over Laxagara Limited, our Jum, Jesus, can it say about the whole Laxagara Limited? The second Asima Adriano, 20 minutes of play, Kawara United, it was a half time, and they converted it to a goal. Carter folk, and your class calling opportunities, Miano. The original, almost did do a check and the first yard board. How much to Papa? So, the highest component to trade of one. Carolina United was shut out for the focus in the shady. Anything from across the so Carolina United, they are clearing the lines beautifully. They are attacking China to the Carolina United. What's the one in the man? General Utanga penda bwana ko munato goalkeeper o ingese bibi na bone Abdul Karim na fil bibi na bone the kana sima jana basu I also wanted to say that one the best four station in the country Wesarata. What's the more which is? What's the more Thomas Winini. Winimi. Okay, about the 10. Buona trascia. E poi na ya tua dia. No yo se to fu. O po kunyo se moasia. O po kunyo se moasia. Ya no. O po kuchu. A to po te skakane baino. Ele acha isso. Ele acha isso. Agora que te carrega. Você se plema continue. Kaula United. Termana boate. Wachibaku. Nato. Mausa coach Abu Bakari Damba. Anasa Bukari Damba. Bisa você why. It was supposed to be a father to Wani. Atafu. Como Gusira from Kabako. Termana boate. Você tinha contribuído. Ababa de Sofia Becima. A Becima Pierre Alab. Tem que ser Costa. Costa de Macacai. A Becima. Abesima, Wakibaku, Wakidabari Yemu, Anzaita, Wakiabara Yama, Kasim Pisse, denied by the woodwork. Denied by the woodwork. Denied by the woodwork. Kasim Pisse. What a chance! What a chance! What a chance! A beautiful chance. It was supposed to be a goal, nothing. It was denied by the woodwork. Denied by the woodwork. Oh! Lampardona as a player foul. Goalkeeper, a failure to come in. Before Bona Fosso. The corner is the theater folk. The Satan of Magellan, trying to turn in the place. Highest component is the one. The best station in the country. Cannot be a more 26. After 4-0, Carolina United 1. What are you paying opinion? I am paying opinion. Buona trascia. Poi la Giulia Carolina United. In the Casumantin. With that one, Michael Ampadu. All the one that sent him one to cancel. Kasim Pisse. With that one, the Amaya Casumantin. Casumantin, the one now. Or Bono Michael Ampadu. Ampadu to good Jordan Otanga. Away the Casumantin. Casumantin. Or Contobono. Sorry, Giulia Carolina United. Michael Ampadu. At the Folk of Rantiano. How many is it film? And you must say you're in Linda. What can you know? Sanda. What can you do to Costa? Costa, Macacari. Martin Kakari! A beautiful shot from Macacari. Oh, Bada Moses. And a welcome goal to Kia Gloria Carter. And a welcome goal. Welcome goal. And a welcome goal kick. 25 minutes of play. Leicester Ghana Limited. Omudi Yasu Place and Yasu Brush. Omudi Abachamasu. Yasu Place and the two brush now. And who will be almost more than Duke Princess Duty. Santo and more two brush. Santo and a two place now. There were Yasu Care. There were Yasu Heba. And a Yasu Whitening. And then I was saying I think a 40. A time protected Ogam. A Bohumai Kama. Sanso, and I can be over the room. Again, yes, you are open to work. 050-139, 737, 050-139-0338. Who will like to get on the second Easy, and I can't tell about 26 minutes of play. Carolina United, I will send a Simaku. At the focus in Picaro. At the floor, of the last taking trouble in Anna and Goye. And now Somoluswa. We need to support the Kapla and Rafiano. The power football. Abaya and Yara Ekoli. After some time now, Atariana Way. And let's say India, all of the and the one part of the Darwana Way, or the one way. Sabi ana kapare jumare aya sometime now after an hour Carolina United on the break body oh yes Michael Ampazu Michael Ampazu in a customer thing not Mr. Player something Michael Ampazu beautiful player Michael Ampazu in the Tamo Kawela tomorrow, what you can't want to Kawela, oh Bobby, Kawela, oh 1 2 9 Juma, Lenta Tanka, Lenta on the break, Lenta, what you want to do, Cassim Kisi, Cassim, that's your parcel and that game, Lenta, what on Hobako, what you can what do you want? Hamza Isa. There you go. At the fourth one, Carolina United one. Hamza Isa. When you equalize, Oshabadia, let the forward player. No blame on Carolina United for us. And 51 as the Carolina. Now, Hamza, Linda Rada, or the body rebel, and the pass cinema, Cassim Kisi, Cassim Anchikensu, and will lay another 2 pass. Linda, every was cinema, and I will cross the bamboo, and it was a cool job for Hamza Isa. Carolina United, 1, at the fourth one, 28 minutes of play. Highest component is 1. Ghana Premier League match day 26. Ako'y erahan sa supporters no. Ang bigwasa sa tama mo. Ako kay Nasili, goalkeeper. Yaman niya sa papa mo. Kawela. Yaman na siya. Kawela. Ako kay goalkeeper. Yaman ada pora aba be papa mo. Kawela sa Yaman ko. Agora Mohamed awala nasa dia boleh dia Abdul Latif Karbara Basete Pembo Bor kita Jati oleh Mohamed oleh Sebrano boleh fire dari Carolina United atau kari-kari rasa tetap sekarang tetangga boleh dia masuk ini Penyintas pada bola terteri. Untuk Kowiemo Cassim. Agora Lenta dia bola dia masih kekali. Oh, terpaksa. Hanya cuma dari sisi Makosa. Ayo baru 1-1. Dari Kosa. Pakai dia bola terakhir. Play masuk dan kamu. Agora masih kekali. Kekali baca dari Kosa. Agora masih jadi tangga. Tengah curaku. Dia bola Lenta. Dia masih kekali. Akan lepas Masuk, kaya kebaru, buat dia atau ini kesubasi once again. Untuk dua syarikat tu. I don't know if ini kesubasi was given a pass to the goalkeeper. Solo mana buat Utia Bono, Faya Boria Tia, Gloria Tatapu, Hamza Isa, Anona Committee Pau, Wakafim, Alhassa Awal Mohamed, Wakim Nasho, Faya Boria Tia Tatapu, 31 minutes of play, 31 minutes of play, Faya Boria Tia Tatapu, Alhassa Awal Mohamed, Abu Boran Tantamo, Carolina United, Pastor go through, Aberi Iman Anafu, Anafu Bono, or the Imam Mohamed Awal Alhassa, or the Bonan Coach, or the Man Defender, the Pan of Piaba, Soviero, or the Chamonso, or the Black Diane. Oh, Ibrahim Giasu was caught in outside position. Giasu called in offside position. 31 minutes of play. Richarata. Richarata. Bila bodi tio kwa mbibo kapten tisi. Wakimwa na biyama. Anta Isa. Oh. Anta Luciano. Buona Babeti. Mohamed Asigri Silmana. Asigri Lucy control. Babeti. Martin Kakawi. Kakawi pia mwana Babeti ya pamungo. Lenda. Oh, Michael Ampadu. Michael Ampadu. Kene bwa kame puna. Ya tori ya pia kawena nyanke. Michael Ampadu. Attacking throw na ya tori ya pia kawena United. Attacking throw in Michael Ampadu. Wakona chiba kutuwa kante. Yuma chela kalmete kwa viyamu. Goalkeeper. Anto Karim Nasiru. Amunto Aribohu. Now champion Seridiade Ibrahim Giasu. Yabi Solomon Abuajabada. Nanso was here at one of the Kofi Agostina. Mopia Mona de Amadenisan Kuma Costa de Barico, Kofi Piasso, Denison Kuma Costa, or the board of Hawaii, Dennis Costa, or Boraba Fipiapo, Kopia de Amatanga, Otanga, was 53, and about Michael Ampadu, and Borba Otanga, roughly say a foul. Roughly say a foul, you will take how many rankings. Out of Pentecost, Maxarosu, on it, Jafi, Mohamed. Jafi has been shown the yellow card. Jafi Mohamed has been shown the yellow card. That's 3 minutes of play. 33 minutes of play. Laxagana Limited. How many years to face and a year to black? Two plus, you know, Palazzo Blash, also Arapin Sodiano, a different to plus and Ulabar. In the match of that, Princess, Mother, Duke, Princess, Duchy, also, and two persons who, Yakuka, and Whitening. Two persons, a young Magic. About 15 of the way. Also, I don't know, Peter. Open the door for Kotoa. Over to me after Laxagana Limited. Our 50139, 037, 05338, the whole Laxagana Limited. Our Zoom VZ, and a credit here about. That's the 4 minutes of play. After 4-1, Carolina United 1. The highest component to trade up 1. The best small person in the country. Linda Mutanke. Thomas Winnie. Thomas. One player. Representative must continue. No foul. Carolina United. One of the decision. Abuache. Control. Representative no foul. Ira Kasumanse. Boris Day, Ababari has to spoke, Denison Kumakota, Piabana de Masika Kari, a career side of the Kasumanse, I won't be surprised. I said the first substitution of coach Abubakar Masaya in the second half row. In the Kasumanse in the field. In a Kasumanse, after 4 Carolina United, they've been left out the hook. Michael Ampadu, what's the tracker? What's the fire? Michael Ampadu. Michael Ampadu. Carolina United. Abdul Latif, Abdul Karim, Nasir, goalkeeper, Michael Ampadu control duty, Naso, Michael Ampadu, attack the lines once again, Nasir, Umair Mohamed, Adafomo Jamuza, Adafomo, Muna. Remy, the goal getter, no other breaking again. 10 minutes, and I own your goal. Ansano Hamza Isa dengan equalizer. Ohio Super 93.1. Commentator another day from the nation's Wembley. Across Stadium to be precise. Ghana Premier League match day 26. Arthur Folk 1, Corolla United 1. Or 37 minutes of soccer fiesta. 1 goal apiece. United to the Arthur Folk. United to the Arthur Folk. Mohamed Alwa Al-Hassa Alwa Mohamed. What's the one in the club? Abdul Latif, Abu Boribu, Abdul Latif Boboeno, goalkeeper Richard Atta, Opiabora de Thomas Winimi, back to Abrata Diade, Greg Jonathan Utanga Piabon de Franimu, Martin Kakari, what about the Hamza Isa, the falling back, Abba supporting a defense. Apart from running into the ACR board, Linda Mtanga, Linda, the Piamoni that could pass from home, Ababini, Denison Kosa to Linda Beswearing, Opiamaku, Opiamuno, Linda Sanadrin, Farabona Commandant Denison Kosa, Kosa back to Linda, Opiamoni Pocoyo, what is it? Hamza Isa, do a cherry calmo. Open goal! Leicester Ghana Limited. Or Yasu Brass and Yasu Face. Two brass and you were born at 2 brass. You will deal with your prince, you do choose and you will choose 2 brass. The fans are about with a different 2 face. You will Yas Heba. Yes, whitening, and yes, to yes, Otake. Nina, you must send Kunyana, you must send Magic, and now say Fita, Council and a bowl, Cinnamon Hobby. The union may be a show, the open the road Chocotoa, and a guy finds out 139, 337, guy finds out 139, 338, over the second limited to Kumasi, Pizza, and a KJ about. Leicester Ghana Limited Adama, and in live commentary, the nation's Wembley Ablow, Arson Planet 3.1, the best sports station in the country. One about the P, Enoch Subatin, Martin Kakarivana, the Piamona de Subatin, the Subatin Piamano, or the Madison Kosa, or the way to go to the Hamza Isa. Control Hotel, not so over the ball goes, and welcome go to Kiabodia, Arthur Folk, the second Sima Adianai, 14 minutes of play, Arthur Folk 1, Corolla United 1, Hamza Isa, the control of Piabano, or the other bench candidate, Enoch Subantin, Wachawaku, Wapiamane Makakari, Masikakari, Kakari, Wapiama Nelson Kumakosa, and a welcome goal kick. Corolla United are body out of foot. 41 minutes of play. 41 minutes of play. Arthur Folk Sabaku. Transfer Corolla United Sabaku. Corolla United Arthur Folk. Corolla United. Tomorrow, Paramarati, a pattern is Solomon Aboise. Solomon and Tia Controbono, Arthur Folk. Alasa Rossi Corolla. Wapea Mahangaisa. Amara Fisaya, Sawamu from Sekola United. Kankorwa Santa Sekola. Santa Sekola. Kofi Adesima. Wapea Bwana Tokoviemu. Bwana Magadi Kola United. Kayola 3v5. Naso. Ababere Michael Ampadu. Wagano. Wapea Bwana Dewa Weterata. The first player of Alpha Full. Recharata. Recharata Pedaboro. The Sekoyemo Kasim Sisi. Kasim. What's here control Bono. Bwana Babeti. Kayola United Abdullah Mania. Wapea Bwana Dewa Koma. Mohamed Asigri Solomara. Asigri. Wanchicheso. Wadema Solomara Abuaje. Wapea Bwana Konechi. Naso. To no one in particular. Bwana Babeti Kofi Abesimu. Wachai Tamefa. Recharata. Wapea Wero Selekarmo. Recharata. Kofi Piaso. Recharata. Wapea Bwana Sekoyemo. Mwana Mzimbono. Kasim Sisi. Kasim. Wakontrol Bwana beautifully. Naso. Kayola United clear line. Ababere in the first of all. Kayola United. Opia Warso. Orbani Bananimu. Kayola. Abakari Diade. Abdul Latif. Wakil Warso. Orbana Masoro Manabuaje. Osama Dia Abakari Diade. Muhammad Al-Hassa. Allah Muhammad. Opia Warso. Dafi Humain Muhammad. Dafi. Ayatari. Kayola United after Bora Trashe. Train Ayatari Kayola United. 43 minutes of play. After 4 quarter, Kayola United 1. Sumpana into third of 1. Ghana Premier League match day 26. From the Nations Wembley. Genesis Kamakosa. Opera Bora Centena. Oria Hamza Isa. Naso. Goalkeeper. Opie. Indirect. Goalkeeper. A back pass and a goalkeeper is watching. Yellow card has been shown to goalkeeper Abdul Karim Nasiru. He was a back pass. Abdul Karim Nasiru. Another is a silver Mutia. Abdul Karim Nasiru. He was a back pass from the player. Naso. It looks like Kayola United Abdul Latif. Center referee. Afraid of the team for Kayola United. Red Coast Rayama. Abdul Latif all in play. Any moment from now, Kayola United to play the game. Also, Hafiz of July. Wabekira Hotar Bettina Babu. In the tricky. Substitution to the effect. Abdul Latif was starting up from you. When you're careful, the yellow card will be shown to him. When you're very careful, he will be shown the yellow card. Deliberate delaying of the game. Abdul Latif out. Also, Hafiz Abdullah in. Abdul Latif. Safety number 20. Zafimo Ama Abdul Latif. Hafiz Abdullah. Safety number 46. 3 minutes of my time. Imagine a minute. Imagine a shot for the Secretariat. After 4, body away. F1. 45 minutes minute. Marco Miensa. A minimum of 3. And I had your cow. You bought a minimum of 3 minutes. I was comparing to third at 1. Goalkeeper Abdul Karim Nasiru. One player. Solomon Abuache. Was here control Bono. 2. After line to play outside. Yamufantia Kaisu, Anakia Ibrahim, Rosarata, Okacherman Muko, go, Asana Television, Rosarata, Pushiman Afton, Muko, a player wanted to take a Toko Kasim Sisu, a Pembora, Kotomora, Linda Mtanga, Linda, or Bonama Otanga, Otanga to the Koma Costa, the way personal, or Waka Tele Hamza Sanaso, Pass Lebuakamo, Kaila United, Kaila on the blue, Kaila, about the Chubaku, Kaila United, or Body Romo, and the fire of Fantastic. Marcelo Uso, Santero Marcelo Uso, I say a fire of Fantastic at the pool. Tommy inside the personal, Yabomo Miego, Aka and the Adiana Enubu, 45 seconds, that's my sending out of the year. I have some parameter one, out of 4 Carolina United 1, coming to you live from the National Assembly, across process to be precise, or commentator on our day. Tomorrow, I'm going to idea for Tommy inside the personal, Aka and the Adiana Enubu, 25 seconds, next money sending out of the year. Fire body is here at the pool. Fire body is here at the pool. Carolina United. Our body is here at the pool. I put the Pecovivo. Don't share Kermo. I have to pay him. Giasu, Ibrahim, Wadano Baku, the Piamore Yakoma, a Prancer Babasisia, a few July, was set to play. Naso, Abuakamo, Erika Subante, Wadano Baku, Piamore Yamadin Costa, watch beautifully, Costa, or Pia Borso, or Casim Tisu, body away, Linda! Linda Mtange. Linda against the goalkeeper. Naso, Linda. We forgot the time goalkeeper. Linda could have done better. He might be on for 45 minutes now. 3 minutes of final time. Had to focus on Carlos.
One FM. Yaba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Day what dog can one, and EJ can one, the ration more, day what dog can one, and EJ can one, the ration more,
Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again.
Wabushon for Ghana Premier League match day 26. And on 70 Augusto Ebre Dodona Etie Sompa 93.1. First 45 minutes. Anya Abare with the Nations Wembley Accra Sports Stadium. And Accra to Folk 1. Carolina United 1. They started game on 3rd minute. And a bunch of friend Hamid Duffy. You know, at what they can Carolina United. Bobo Kone come on. And a 28 minute Hamza Isa on Abate Kana Edema Accra to Folk. You know. And did my first 45 minutes now about away with the Nations Wembley. And Jata Folk 1, Carolina United 1. And the first half results are a free Accra Sports Stadium mobile. yɛde to dwa ɛde amatie for Ghana Premier League March day 26 ana esi etie yɛnda abrantia je efe na na yɛwase first 45 minutes commentary or the free nations one billion the bar at the Ababasum. And share about Facebook. Back messages in the few and some messages pin out Facebook. About baby brain as society a few predictions of now. Sasha YouTube near some pa TV and some messages in the Boha. About baby Eddie a few on yeah, best start getting me the can't catch you. So 2 teams almost here. And a tap pie. You see that's about 0-0 1-1. As a sign I sit here. And of course, first 45 minutes, I have 1-1 and a dear woman. Say I baby. And I said 2 teams, you know, back over to me and you win. Then the second 45 minutes, you know, and a better. Ebana baka message in the Facebook. Some part 93.1 FM. And on Facebook, ja comment and no watch. No new so na jumadi ni bia he.
Is back again. Tell everybody, tell them. Everybody, tell them. Go tell everybody to bring back the love. Tell everybody, hey. Body, go tell everybody, see we won't bring the love back. Tell everybody, body, go tell everybody, bring back the love. Tell everybody, body, go tell everybody.
Well, Facebook Abbas Zachary, Abbas was sending a message about now Abbas had the love emoji and a day ago.
Division 1 league, Division 1 league, best three.
Well, yeah, Umar Mahmoud. Ma Mahmoud. I said to folk 3 Kerala Umar there on Facebook. A Futu Kote. I said to folk 2 Kerala United 1. Nisaki. I said 2-1 against Kerala. And Nanesa was Oluwa. Kerala for going about. I said yes, some kwa. We feel Nanesa more Kunsuko Kom. We say hey, had to folk. Piaga. I say hey, had to folk. Edward Boache say what happened to Kolaka and had to folk. Also the question was also Pablo said to folk will beat them 2-0. More fire. One more time. From a branch here, friend Ousu Pablo. No, I'm going to tell you, no defeat South Africa.
This is our own. Let's cherish our.
I message about Facebook, you know.
Premier League.
Pina, one man. I'm gonna be Eddie a few. Eddie amount.
Let's cherish our
big game. March day 26. Ghana Premier League. And on 7 Guswa. And my tier for tier some power. 93.1. Hearts of Folk 1. Kerala United 1. Mama feeling NBA phone lines. Well, Queen of my beard are 2. Now for Mama who go now. So, more fear than what the Majan said about. I know you're giving up. From some media saying a goodness if I call him. Now, Hearts of Folk go no so your baby. Nansana, my ND. Let's start Ghana Limited among come on. And I'm some other man. That's a live comment, you know. Yeah, the branch called the Nations Wembley. Niago Fasa can 45 minutes comment, you know. Nimum answer a jar toothpaste. And I make one some idea channel anyway, but your toothpaste, you know, a dose with German so Nimum Papa Pano, a jar toothpaste. About your Bema, GB from a baby girl, no. We are bad, GB, from a pacho, who can it? It's a pacho, Mrs. Fono, as a Mr. and Mrs. Hawaii Fono. Dema fear de, Dema fear Nika, Dema Sunjeba fear, Dema awareness on them, and your magic bia. Nimum a yas toothpaste and become for them out. Cocojo yas to attack and be bachabwa. Na amo nima come out yas to attack and babwa. Na bacha say to attack and adia bia. A fa or seho, some bacha or Senecala assassin, some bacha wadiana. I know my idea, you know, not the same P at the brow, or the other patch, or the D and the Bia Castle, Sasson, or the other patch, and more problems are. But say, I asked to attack and come for them out. Just right them out, Sana Vita, Just a bar. I'm saying, how many day in Tebabwa, not do a Kajinabwa, not was Sana, I am strong, gonna be beyond so quite the amount. I don't know what you toothpaste, Kai. na sene so say ya toothbrush no wo de be kan ya toothbrush na be boa na pa cha wo sene atima bibia kama de ma ho an say toothbrush no wo sene be ba cha be kama toothbrush ne ka ho na ye toothbrush na e du twamom and say de me ka de chow say color sene ne kum no your pink, purple, green, blue, orange ni na na e kama and so bo me bibia e koy adema kokwa toothbrush no as a toothbrush e bibia be ba cha de na udi na kokka no toothbrush na be boa na ayi e de fi o sentem no just toothbrush na be boa na yi o kama na o sen so abo ma bibia koy de ama o obi di wo kasa o hwe na ase na o hwe o sen e di ba cha ko de just toothbrush na bi na bibia enko enfama jo pz sa so na wa aduno sa be kan kijeta na about no on sa be kan ba cha Leicester Ghana Limited na kwa jo toothbrush na bia fi o na edu akagye no wonu na da na fa de bia ebo na emo onu nkoye no abo ma bibia so akwa kama de ma o fa paper ne pen na echo number yi 0501 390 337 and 0501 390 338 to friend number na on sabaka Leicester Ghana Limited na kwajo ya toothpaste just toothbrush ne be there for na friends so abo amonu ma da na say asen a life commentary ne de baba som etiefo etie sompa 93.1 nche ye be wo mu ni akofa second 45 minutes no e dia ba Hartford 1 Kerala United 1.
Cherish our own division 1 league is back again.
And the answer never can Hartford wo bokro no. Hamza Isa go away and the take no. And also say back one sama dia chao.
This is our own.
Hartford 1 Kerala United 1. Hamza Isa. This is the goal.
Back again.
Na Kerala goal mo so do na kan one sama Facebook. No mo you go Hartford at the take one on at the center circle. Abante afana lenda onko fa one body dimi kapa
one leg is back again since the days of our baby Pele.
Jemfi George and also heavy bia hearts be by 3 how about to so betimi de odiaba na face so ya dey feel why you more the nations for Kerala United.
The Premier League is back again.
To copy a tune, press
Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again.
The Romo Baba, Romo the Nations Wembley, Accra Sports Stadium, Hartford Kerala United. Nanaya Ayakada, Humanas Holo and Altiminka. Well, young quite second 45 minutes.
All right, one summer for 93.1 on the Nations Wembley, Accra Sports Stadium to be precise. The Friday Caribbean here, not Kerala, away side on the Pacific Canyon, Emma Hartford Nika, and to game the 1-1 at the first of the first, at the end of the first department of the game. And should be there first to see the shot here. Kerala, or yeah, in such a I'm a brand team at the Bidafi Ibrahim Ofimu. I'm a brand team Eric Papa. Kwakwa Abamu. Eric Kwakwa Abamu. Everybody see a kind of Abamu, your brand team Ibrahim Ofimu. Center Rafi Marcel also. And to the other Shanabai. And to be our center referee, Marcel also, Shana Baser of Francis Media Francis Jesu, Guana Babaki, Antonai Hafiz, and you're throwing the Aboya to the Hartford, throwing Abaya to the Hartford. Kerala United. Kerala United. The name of more places cardboard no. I say na ya shot the half but you got cardboard this one. 19 minutes and I was cardboard this one. Cardboard there. 19 minutes and nobody carry us for now. And JB now almost predicting what will happen at the end of the first. At the end of the entire game, no. Esse é o Marco Latino. Esse é a cara da Marco Alfa, esse é o número. After 6 minutes of play, Carolina United, what about Aya Peria? Kasim Titi, Kasim. Bora para Lenda Machubaku. Chabona Saria Kasim. Kasim. And the wedding watcher Karamu. Kasim Titi. And a corner kick here about the Carolina United. After Foka Sergio Nafi, Martin Kakari. Agora com Grabonchi. Corner kick here about the out of Carolina. 4-1. Another corner kick. Has players who are calling for a penalty. Nasu, Maxwell Osu, Asen Oshie, open the ball to the Sofia Decima. Captain Bonamabona Trasher. Welcome to Carolina Bodia at the pool. Mausa hat mantel akuma comienza. Salim Adam, Yamaka si ana fenso sale fu Ibrahim, Mami Sunyana wa Mia. Ora kita Carolina. Essa é foto 3. Agora parou. Agora vai ter que decima. Atenção. Poranco. Daqui tinha tanto bom dia. Ora a feria. Esse seria só a mão para ser atenção. Já vai ser slide. Agora que se mantém. Era Castanante. La Croce Carolina United a battere basso. Adesso la Boria si ha dato caso fu. Alto per Carolina United 1. Forse 8 minuti a piedi. Ma questo sono di lui. Adesso la comienza. Domani alla forza signore il numero. Forse 8 minuti in scelta. E fare la Boria si ha fu. Ora United di lavorarci. E fare la Boria si ha dato fu. Abbiamo un terzo buono, come c'era Carmo, Michael Apollo, che buona sua, a Babedi, a parte di Adelenda, a Solenda, non si è favore, Solenda Frame, a Concognolo, che era Michael Apollo, a prodotto da una sua, a Babedi Cassino Ahmed, Cassin Titi, buono Vallo Simone, a Pies Abdulai Hafiz, buona Peria, Carolina United, Carolina, o Pepe Amorati, Torre Nasso, Thomas Fellini, Sofia Decima, e da Boria sua, 40, Carolina United, Nasso, deve sempre na costa. Michael Ampadu, a club buona firma di Handaisa, Anta, a buona tendenza, o Martin Kakari a contro buono, Kakari, Ondano Obaku, Obetmede, Obacciana, Kakari, o Pipi Borsu, a beautiful pass to Mattia Carinato. Attacking Troy, Dennis Costa, what's the one in Tantemo, or Bama Martin Kakari, o Pio Barabaku, outside. Isaac Asante, after 7-2, outside the Monfantia Atafu, goalkeeper Abdul Karim Nafiu, opera per il comune, a Babel Denson Costa, lo chiede Lenda Barama, Michael Ampadu, la pista del Pau, Atafu quanto c'è morto, abbiamo le teme di mano. Era Cassimonting, a Tubatega Cassim Titi, Cassim Machubaku, Guardano, appena buono centinato. Cassim was looking for Handaisa. There's no power behind the ball. Ama goalkeeper Abdul Karim Nafiu. Lo siete a Samuel. Abbiamo realizzato come Samuel. Cavera, ora di Borico. Ora sta buono, ora basta che famoso, ora ma per te diare. E Mohamed Astic Cristina, abbiamo ora di ama, a parte una Farouk, ora ti c'è, non c'è, fare che ti c'è. E poi la essere a Carolina. Dennis Costa. Cosa tu vuoi intendere? Ora Andreisa, anda a muovere la Cassim Titi. Kasim, continue control. Hamza, F. Daffy, passe en jeu, sur la boîte. Tato. Oh, Charlotte. Oh, Charlotte. Après le bon intermédiaire, Thomas Winini. Moi, je suis bon. Le premier mot est pas Ma Farou. Après moi, le diamant. À partir de Rashid Al-Hassa Clabono. About the day, great Jordan Otanga, I am a period. It's Cafamo. What's the telephone? Yaman Pantia has a fool. A handboy, I want to say a great Jordan Otanga. The Shekara Simama Kumakwestia, our first scenario. 61 minutes in Chota, Laxagara Limited. And Yas, two glass and a Yas, two things. The Jamaso. Tremendous Mano. I Hamo, La Amano, and Comac, the Neman and Soro, and Casamu Comacia, and one Yas, two glass and a Yas, two feet. I want a different type. I'm more of Subgas, you Subgas, princess, you kiss and up in from, or kiss Subgas, about with different types of two feet. I'm more Yas, Sotake, Yas Saba, and a Yas whitening. Tina Yachumaka, a Magicino, a young Konya. And now it's I fit up with a white reno. A tanto a bought with a ball by you. I did be a Caribbean. I show cinema, a young Rafimo. The open the road to let's take a limited our 5,000, 139,037. And after the 5,000, 139,038. Let's take a limited our 2 pieces. What about a whole other letter? The same I have to it. No, how to prove. Uma Farou. On a the Somalia, Gloria Tato. Shona to the Tato. Uma Farou. What's about the Tentamo? For Linda. For Tangalada. Nato, Thomas Winnie. Get your ball to a club on your floor. But we are ready to run them out of food. And it's going to told the attack of the United. Then it's come across a one Tentamo or Bora Ama, Martin Kakari, Kakari for Boranco, Amadi Hamza, looking for the Kassumanting, goalkeeper, for you, a bit more to Bora Trashi, for an idea about the attack. Kawla United, Michael Ampadu, a one Tentamo. What's about Yama, a Pantani, Hamza Isa. That's about the Kasim Sisi. Hamza, Michael Apadu, Kasim Sisi. Master Rosso, Santa Rossi, Fire Monsantia, Gloria Tato. Kawla United, Machera Canamu, T and Boxermo. One has to put a committee foul. Likely, sir, after 4 the post substitution. Salimadan, Yaman Kavasi, and a Pedro a Pantan, Salifu Ginaria, Amunia Senna Abamia. Fire body at Gloria Tato. Fire body at goalkeeper, Anto Karim Nasingu. Out of focus Saraku, Carolina Sashamak, I have some parent trade of 55 minutes of play. For about the Pantania, after Romania, Yamara Kwachi, Tarabara Pantani, Mohamed Awal Al-Hassa, for the Kita Carolina United, Ayaperi, the Piamona Yakuri Uma Faru, a control watching chance. The Piamona de Mamania, Atuaya, or Bonama, Happy July, back to Happy July, a poor work on Happy July. So I have to get the Carolina United, Michael Ampadu, Honora Capabona Obato, for I attempt to in. Michael Ampadu, a Pabon and Gentleman, a Pabon and Pantani, Kasim City, Kasim, tomorrow, tomorrow na someone to play. Yeah, to have no year to go. It is a someone. I don't have a one to flash it. I have to let you out of the pool. Colorado United, from Parliament to Taylor, your best bus station in the country. Kofi Agbesima. Kasim City. Kasim looking for Angarisa. Born Sayer. Apamari Karim and the Manchero. Temple of Pluma Continuum. Goalkeeper. Abdul Karim Nafiu. Abu Bonito. The Pekoyo Mama Club. And Padaka de Walla Trash. And Trainer to the Pekana United. We can do one earlier. As they have to focus like somebody has to report the situation. It's not a man saying it's not a woman apple. Open your mobile bag, it's all. On the Tia Como Telephone Bible, or Hassan Water Synergy, Tantam Alama, Quadet Social Synergy, and after Salima and Tony and Senano. One about the Michael Ampadu, Opiamara, goalkeeper, the sister of Paul, or Horace Communum, or somebody Toko, what about the district of Mo? What is the blood lady? Happy of July, our Central, happy of July, or your blood lady. Abu Bakar 1-0. One about the Hamza no shall come Kasim the control from Kasim was back. The first start Ankoye. Goalkeeper Abdul Karim Nasir. The best of the situation in Makaola. Abdul Karim. Wapenda Tokyo, Thomas Finimi, Wapenda the Afio, Bona and William Thomas Finimi once again, Wapenda the Michael Ampadu, Thomas Finimi the form, other form Mukam, Michael Ampadu, Abona Trash, Train, Naso, a Pantera Koda from Intama Trashero, Show Amanka Befi, Salim Madam, and a Pantera. Charlie for Ibrahim Jibaria. Amumia Senna Babu. Yes, I want about the captain city. Also, what about the customer thing? The first play, was looking for Hamdaisa. Goalkeeper Nasir Abdul Karim Nasir. That's about it. I come after the Kerala United, Nestagana Limited, or Yasu Gatana Yasu Pisa of Jamaso, two prisoner, a different defender, also and a two glass, and a defender, two glass, more than two glass, you will kill two glass, your princess, two kings, and your case two glass, also and a two prisoner, it comes in defenders, your Yas, a year two cycle, also and a Yas Haba, and a Yas Walter in two feet, the Uta, so to the local one. What is our Leicester Ghana Limited after? And after Leicester Ghana Limited on 050 139 0337 050 129 0338. Over Leicester and Ajum PZ and I can tell a lot about Leicester Ghana Limited, Yasu Glass, and a Yasu Prisoner, a year Jonathan Kuda. The castle in the first half of the competition, and they are in the second thing. The castle is already the table. Also, and I'm not thinking the table. The supporters, I'm on the stadium, I'm not thinking the table. Also, and a Kasim City, and so Timo. Kasim City out. Nothing to carry out. And I finish it all. I'm planting in a customer thing. Out. Salut madame, the first class now, one about Michael Ampadu. Michael, if you want to call the pastor more, about the Amanka, the one of them is Ibrahim, Talifu, Talifu, Otanga, wale pass de Battle Ibrahim. Otanga, the shot has been blocked by Carolina United. About the Linda Piadiama. Thomas Winimi, Thomas, Thomas Winimi, a beautiful pass looking for Amakobetti. Now the pass in the Wakamo. About the Carolina United, about the Diadi. Wow. Bora ya period. Goalkeeper Anto Karim Nasiru. Ababora di Sema Bora Mabedi. Green Jordan Otanga. Otanga Piadiama. Thomas Winimi. We back to Otanga. Otanga Bora Masari Ibrahim. Talifu. Power body of Carolina United. 61 minutes of play. Awesome talent to 3-1. After Poke 1. Carolina United 1. Ghana Premier League match day 26. London Nations Wembley. Across past them to the precise. O commentator and I are day. Manya baby job are coming inside. Make the channel. We feel on the game. The answer or hard before kickoff. Oh, Salim Adams. It looks like Salim Adams have a support the attack now. Salim Adams have a support the attack now. Hamza Issa will be the top man. Nasser Salim Abou behind Hamza Issa. Carolina United, but we are one of the play must continue. One already done Sinclair Costa, also Shalinda, Naso, Juan Antonianco, Carolina United, Carolina, but we are one of them, one Abadi, Kofi Besima, pass number Salif Ibrahim, the full control from Salif Ibrahim, Abadi Carolina United, Carolina, on the second one, Kofi Besima, we are one of the Akoma, Michael Ampadu, the Tottenham, Michael Antichesu, or the Master Sesna Yamakabeti, Amakabeti back to Michael Ampadu, was such a play, or the Barakuma goalkeeper, Richard Betmane, Upia Tentamo, or the Barako Besima, Captain Parasite, Kofi Piabaku, Kofi Besima, Honor the Boriba, Kofi Besima, the Piamona Kofi Totamo, Naso, Salif Ibrahim, or the Barama Salimadan, Salif! Fantastic goal, and this is a typical house of goal. Really, madam, why did I happen? Shoot. I think it is trademark. When you, Wally, madam, now pretty is a goal. What a goal, the other has me, bring it goal 2-2. This has been his goal against Hamza. This is what he did, and I'm not surprised to see such a beautiful shot from Salim. It tells us there, Wakoshi, OU, and our back. One might take out the book as well. I think they're Salim Bema. Half a foot. My test of support Marco. Or second Israel Juma. They brought Israel Juma. Oh, what will Noah? I need to go to the middle of the quick at the Macadamia. I've never put Juma. For the January of another 2 years. Umber over to the game. For the other club, I saw. If you don't know if it's having to look at me, but some of them born and I still one. Ella within 2 back, I still one. We didn't know, you can't do number. I can't allow to have you kill every idea what the father social. We are doing money. And then they are praying. They are both from a little much now. Only the other to some more of another. From Romo, go over there. You know, come whatever. I had your part. All right, so part of the 1. Half the foot, thank support. I'll be so ready. A beautiful save from Senator. Solomon Goro Sena. That I finished it back. The boy from Cincinnati, USFA. A beautiful goal. Half the foot, leading by 2 goals to 1. Corner by the team. Half the foot, Castilla. And a throw in Carolina United. What's the morning to come out? With a Maya Kabesi, sensational. Back to Salif Ibrahim. But Piabala Diama, I don't tell you the grip Jordan Otanga. Otanga back to Salif Ibrahim. Salifu, what Pierre Thomas with him right there. Thomas Thomas, or Michael Ampadu, Ampadu Batu, Jamal Kabati, Tatapo, Tatapo Ibrahim, Tatapo, Luakere Karu, what do you want? Game now to start. The tempo of the game has changed. The dynamics of the game has changed. The Biara Suniasi, Tatapo Ibrahim, Tatapo Ibrahim, Jamal Kabati, and a Salim Adams. I'm going to be a Sanabamo. I'm going to start game now. Baby Kavakoha. Baby Kavakoha. So far, I don't know. Get me for you, pass. The same coaching changes. No, I'm going to get that he shall boom. And if the guys don't move about from how they DJ pay, more yard, don't move up in town. Baby Cow, is an anything about a crabby or some of our cocoa. No man is getting your player. For the kitchen, Tatapo Ibrahim to the rear, beautiful one. The player Otanga to Linda, a beautiful pass. On your wall, Daddy! What a chance! A clear scoring opportunity. Sorry, madam. You could have gone for a goal. Open pass. I think Gabriel Ferro. Hamza Issa. And football is on to Naso. Point number of the crowd. Point number of the crowd. Carolina has been left of the hook. Atapo. Watch it, Carolina. What a chance. What a chance. Moussa Otanga, Otanga, Marco, and Boche. I know we are meeting. What's the boy, you know? I'm on day. You have to hear Shomo. You want to hear Shomo. I know when you are here, Otanga. What do you do? Otanga wants to cheat. I'm a make us on a kind of football. Players, we can score them. Let us fight hard. Let us score. Our supporters want to be happy. Let us score them. And as a senior Benton, the Salim was here. That's true. And so if you make a buy and carry it, it's a carry. Salim Adams, sensational. I'm not sending more for you. I'm not saying, what kind of no second, Emma, Abdul Salam Yakubu, over Fenton, and Abdul Salam and Mahatafu, and a branch of the Sabo, our Cincinnati, USFA, a branch of the Father. I will say climb out to pool. Or shall I say our experience? Kamala United, or I sit about Rico, Kamala, what about the Uma Paru, roughly so far, Pensia, Gloria Plantafu, Lexa Ghana Limited, Millionano, I Yasu Blast, and a Yasu Face, and one of you so few for so many years. Yes, and Yasa, when you sit to Blast, and because the master and the two places, and they are two places, and they have the panel with the Yasabano, the Sansa and the Black, and they have how many I know, and Boa who are they, who choose in Asamoah who are they, the fire drew you palm, the television, maybe to two, the Yasaba, not to Yas White and no, Doria, the Sahoya, and the Peter, the open two places, and the two animal, Alcasa and Kabiamo, so I don't want smoke Yama or Snagocom. One of Cafiama or Sikalana, and that's it. And near my head of Corocodia, I desire Sikalano, one of the Amazon Sikala, and one of your stupid, Yasu Brasino, there were the other day, and the other day, one Paladio in our able, to open one or two blood, so, and I hope I do, Princess, Duty, also, and Paladio, so, the Bray Hell, and one and Yasu two blood. Two places, American, two anymore. You have one. You have Sotaka, and you want Yas and Sotaka Kennedy. And yet you mind now. What about our warfare? Can only come and tell the blade. I'm not telling you. I'm going to come. Go with him. And Mama wanted to say now, so, the camera and them. We will buy our Ukurana. We get it. And now for the camera. We get it to see what there's a question. I'm going to call you. What am I going to call you? They can't call you. Baby, I don't have a class here. To make you. I don't person be on a man who will kill club and one yard to tackle, yard lightning, and a yard cover. A promoter of a wall, like Tagara Limited, and more Ajum T-set, and after the sort of KJT one about the home, and other whole yard, and after left side Tagara Limited. Kalala Ellen Sacharino, a bunch of JC number 14, David Abdul, Danso and a former captain for Atapu, Abdul Fatah Mohamed. Appointed Sribo Musamano, former captain, Noel Kachomutu, Nana Payment Marco and Graha, Wabaji Captain Sambano, Abdul Fatah, Matthew Brantini, the transfer in the area how they may be Abana and Kisuru, Kurina, Kibo, Abdul Fatah, Wabamo, Danso Jesse number 14, Abdul Basit, and Swabamu, a Branton with the Senator has supported Bob Samano. The now the captain Ama Atapu Bobukuro. I saw no Opa Padiso or Carolina Australia. Dynamic Australia Camero. Oh, to do Chacotona. And a 050, the number 050, 129, 0337. Another 050, 129, 0338. And one Lex Ghana Limited. Aparte Umar Farouk Kasimo, Umar Farouk Kasimo, Pony of Faria, Carolina United, sorry for Ibrahim Di Maria, on the Chinabonachi, sorry for Ibrahim, 72 minutes of play, half a folk 2, Carolina United 1. Support us to the corner for goal. The Tanchamo Abdul Karim Nasu, what you want to Patao Mohamed, Patao, watching Chemonsu, what you want Nasu Abdul Basit and Tia Control Bono. I'm a border crusher, and a train I told you to Carolina United, 26 from Acosta, Wakona Chubako Euro. Wakobo Tentamo, Heart of 4-2, Carolina United 1, Obetinero Protection Saba, Obisa has to play Carolina United today, Nanso, Carolina Casabaku, Patao, One, Denison Kamakosa, Ayaperia, Bonamori Carolina, do a show Carmo, Carolina United, Obetmare, Carolina, Mensaya, Umeku. What is the score anything? Hata Seriano, I'm a Carolina United Canibaco. Hata supporters now, the banana to the testimony by 4-1. It is a 3-1. It is a 2-1. My, where's Sarata? I put them on the attention, looking for Yaman Kwabesi, Concession Kwabesi. I said I see you. That's what I say. I want to I said Thomas, the coaches Flora Seeking, the next year I had the Parajubi. Oh, Chelsea George, Munaro, more follow some permanent data one on our Facebook handle. Abbas Zakari, Umar Mahmoud, Tansoana Afutu Kote, share. From Parliament to Trade one, your back station in the country, and fire body out the pool, so you have to take a lot. Linda Laboratory, Linda Pedamone to go. Carola, what's the situation? What about the woman, the low passer, Carola! Oh! Succession. Michael Ampadu. Like a flexible on the water. Body a corner kick. Carolina United. Won't you cancel? Okay, one of them up. But I want it. Oh! Michael Ampadu. Mikao Tua Kodifandero. And someone is so catch it. And a welcome goal kick. Out of 4 Carolina United. 17 Carolina United for the Canadian watch Mubako. After 4-2, Carolina United 1. Ghana Premier League match day 26. Richie. Half of 4 players are trying to put smiles on the faces of their supporters. The few supporters at Mubahano almost try everything possible to put some smiles on their face for another team. Carolina United Manchester. Play one call, come on. Avanti suggesto number 14. Perché la fiera dopo. Arturo Bassi. Buona per aprire. Raffi. Stai a fare un'offensiva a fu. Thomas Winini. Insomma, Arturo Bassi ferma il Fabuarenco. And umpire Vega. Quando Arsenal has to pay for so far 3 points, you know. We can't afford to lose this match. By hook or crook. It is a match win for Glorious Hartlepool. But the boy that the Carolina Terbonia, Obetini Africa, after City Fendia, Obetini scoreline of 2-1 now. The Piabona Diamaro. What I say? Oh, Michael Ampadu. After poke on the counter, Salif Ibrahim. What you want to get them? All right, under Isa. What do you want? That's all. Salif was looking for. Salif Adams. That's all. Salif Anthony Anjabono. Carolina United. Dennis Costa. What's the one of them? Good Jordan Otanga. Otanga back to Costa. Costa the one of Salif Adams. The boy from Cincinnati, USFA, foul. Nasso, the play must continue. Foul, Ada, Nasso, the play must continue. A lot of continue. For the kitchen, the team winning. That's it. The team already a planter in the end. Anto Fatau. Antichewansu. What about the team? Lenda Tanga. Lenda. What's your person? What are you saying for Ibrahim? Yama Kwabesi. Under Isa, was causing outside position. Outside here, Glorious Hartlepool. 78 minutes of play. Akasima Marco Dubiero. And the fourth of the shot of the after 4-2, Carolina United 1. Goalkeeper Abdul Karim Nasiru. Above the Centeno. About the Michael Ampadu. The Piamone di Amagirjera Tanga. Otanga. Odia Warrior Romo. Otanga Boroma. Salim Adams. A beautiful pass. How could you make it go? From the Isha. What you goalkeeper? Antipo. Above is watching it. Under Isa. Above is watching it. I can't believe this. Spectacular say more fire. The commentary is live and clear. Inside Kokofutena Hospital. Phobia Martin. Phobia no Ochimuba Street Junction. It was a phobia. Second cross, 2-2. One more year, Kokofutena. The guy can confirm. But yeah, I will show you another live commentary film. Over to me, I say, Facebook page. I some on Facebook. Also MP. Ocean, no comment. I'll comment to be I never can cancel the amount. For another day, the team Mohammed, the team Humid. That's all. At the full. My favorite situation in Linda, a long one looking for Yaman Kwabesi, a control bottle, the road will carry Kerbo, Yaman Kwabesi, the take of your ball. Denied by the woodwork. Under Isa is denied by the woodwork. Salim Adams Angaisa, Anthony Washi, what's the matter? What was the matter? What was the matter? I'm talking to the Senator. Also, and I can't come and be a body of trouble. Only I say, here you go, also. Also, my lucky go. Linda, Kanabi, I was going to go to me. Linda, what's the matter? Also. I'm watching the chapter for affectionate, you know. I did the other side to make it tomorrow. I'm all struggle. 81 minutes of play. After 4-2, however, United won. Sorry for Ibrahim, 100 Sorry for Ibrahim, Di Maria. Is he going to go? And I said, Pedro Modia to myself. Sorry for 4-1 from sorry for Ibrahim. Leicester Ghana Limited. Leicester Ghana Limited. I'm going to have to play and I have to blast. They say, Bermania, who is the only car, and the money on the pen, and I say, what you may hear. Sika Sakrampa, Yerika is the 2 glass and the 2 pin. Never a car, a person, Papa Sago. What do we have? Now we have one. We're going to be free. What I guess to be free. We are bound and then I won't quite have you. I'm a bomb player. I don't want to send to Korea and then I want to be that. We have a Wawa, Ocasano, and the Ostre, or what had to be our Muna, what kind of message, and you said you're Mulano. The Senator, Ocasa, Tantum Qua, I said, no, get the other question of Kokoma market. Come on. The Pierre no more bread and the comedy. A while of Cassandra, I'm in Joe idea. The both for market, I'm a J.R. Super, I'm a J.R. Super account. And then we come at 3 points. We'll be at 3 points. The Yar Super, the Yar Super. I don't want my time, they come at 3 points. I'm not going to be able to make a cash out, tell you, I'm a Milano. Anyway, but so many swamp. I could play Yar Super, Yar Super. Now the Amano, come on. And that's the other metal piece of Mamo. Don't pay your super, but I have super. I don't think I left a Ghana Limited. That's a Yahoo Brass, different types. It's a more than 2 princess, 2 keys, and I'm finishing them. There were keys, super, and Colano. And Colano didn't hear me. That's what I took this, you know. There were Yahoo Take, Yahoo, and a Yahoo Whitening. And yet you must have been thinking of. And that's what I both said, you don't know by it. And that's what I'm always saying. And Kambia woman animal Sebubiano, a unique film. So let's take out I was 5-0, 139, 337, and I 5-0, 139, 338. We don't like that. I want to pieces that I can't get right about. 84 minutes of play. Antaisa, Anta. And a goal kicker going into the middle of the goalkeeper, Abdul Karim Nasiru. Wakona shi wapia mwori tantamo Orbana ma Abdul Romani ya Ene ya Karala dia Abdul nido mpanekwa Omu Abdul Karim Omu Abdul ya Omu Abdul Latif Omu Jase Abdul Basit Abdul Nidia Omu Panisensu Richard Atani Bibi na bone Richard Atani Bibi na bone Adjutancy, I am a different all the way from Libya, Tripoli. The commentary is clear. Once there's some power, but then I did and Wala, somebody, and you're crossing wow for the past of the social political issues, religious programs, that a near on the cinema on the car, we educate, we inform, we entertain as well. Sumpa, SOMP, 93.1, which is Sumpa, Sumpa TV. Somebody Kerala United, Kerala, whatever is well already, Sarpe, Watiana, Michael Ampadu, Akasma Kumakono, and I have 4% account. Abdul Karim Nasiru, whatever is the Tentamo, Opera ball in Tentamo. Jenison Kumakosa. Open ball on my ball. I put up here. Sorry, madam. Carolina United. Abdul Fatau. Oh, you mean Animalico? Carolina. On the United. I have put up here. Konaki. Konakika. Carolina. Jackie Human Mohammed. Other insanity. Another substitution to be affected by Carolina. Adam Brady. Obado Yabantanedi Emmanuel Anafo. JC number 3. Emmanuel Anafo. Ofiwa Ama Adam. The first man on earth, Adam. Adam is number Ridiana. Oh. Abdul Fatau. It was a mistake, but assign higher pass. Ama Adam Brady. Was winning another corner kick. Abdul Fatau actually player. That has a full players in the world. Caught more watching. Adam Brady. That's not the ball man in China. Another corner kick. Corner kicker Abdul Fatau Mohammed. The championship because I would do what you more. Adam Brady. I can't tell you how to you. Honestly, madam. I'm going to play so. Abdul Fatau Mohammed. I put the ball to Korenasu. Shaman Kwabesi. A beautiful one from Kwabesi. Looking for Hamza Issa. Nasu. Penalty. A good call now. Assistant line 2. The referee was looking at the second line 2 and was taking a decision. Isaac Asante, one of the finalists. Assistant referee was in the country. Isaac Asante. Marcelo also. I saw the number check. I know the more Hamza Issa. Kakamua on the right corner. To the line. Indicating to a penalty. 88 minutes of play. I want to call it for 3-1 now. 3-1 Yabam. Abamwari, uname bashano. Abamwari, uname bashano. Abamwari. After Bottasino, Omaniachi, Naso, Kawa Bakarako, or the form our heart of Kermo. Kawako, Omnia Homancano, Alquacofano. Leicester Limited. And yes, 2 blocks and a yes, 2 feet. And the Bajamaso, 2 feet, I have Robian, Sanso, and a 2 blocks, The border 2 blocks, 2 blocks, cases, 2 keys, and a case 2 blocks. 2 pieces, a yes, 2 tackle, yes, Cabra, and a yes, Whiteland. A young Konya. Yes, you must say, magician be a man. Sanso and about 3 feet. A fine ball was yet in a bank. A Yankee Caviano, and a Nabiana Shesho Timino. A unit up here. Oh, I don't know what Toma. A 050 139 another 50 338. Oh, Alexa, our Ajum PZ, and a KJ run about. Hamza Issa Nabonachi, Samuel Osu, I might take a folio to Bobia from Wasata, Niseki, a Petro against Kaela, Kretus, penalty, Hamza Issa, 5 minutes of other time. My mother calling in also, that is my mother.
Why so my idea, pa? For born, pa. Oh, my name is Anna League table. That's some my why I swear for my show. Oh, my idea.
Because you almost a half a man piano. I'm a man table in the sun. This already motors. This already motors. I can't say 3-1. I can't say 3-1. 3-1 now, I don't know. And I'm not going to go home. Oh, really, I'm to see out of there. Because you're going to your and I'm out to know. You're buying now, I'm telling you what I put there. And then there's 3-1. The nobody can say about for that and come. Because, and then we agreed for a thousand proof. In that year, all the one I have a movie and then the get it there is no more. We come and deal or go to the news there, almost coming in by Neddy. I have a habit about the 10. If you get out of the number, that's the number what I have. We got some of $1 million now. Even to me. Well, now, what's on better than that? What's on more? And what I'm saying about Shadrach, because I didn't want to send a cancer with that. What you come to the worker? Say here, I took a apostle to say, the boss. And now, sir, a year recovered by so thank you. Also, very much for piano. One man was so kind because I didn't want to. The piano talk out piano, so more beyond the sea. Or more beyond the sea, or your dear car. Out of the child. Under Isa. The 2 goals scorer. I'm telling you 2 goals. What's it? I'm a Ramos Casara 1 net. And also Abamo. Also, I say this right. Also Abamo. Abamo Linda, Makuma Linda, Daddy Boy Linda. What's it? Mama say this right. And I say this, Ramos Casara 1 net. Come here, Abamo. The man of the toast, Abamo Marco Mienta. One of the Abdul Fatah Mohammed, Abdul Fatah, one of the Carolina, Nato, Thomas Winnie, or one of the Ama, goalkeeper, Aretarata, return and say, we are going to tell me the copy of the Sima, at the Sima, of the one to Korea, Salim Adam, Salim, looking for Lambert Kasara Wanet, Nato, about the former captain for Canada, Abdul Fatah Mohammed, a trainer to the Asia, Carolina United, Abdul Fatah. Looking for the charity. 100 assist Sulemana. Another train. Abdul Fatah. Who has sense of agency in the Patriot. What's the most said? Avantero, not just by flu. Then, or a captain out of food. The first time they did the word also. And then all the Canadian performance and I and for that they can also call Carolina. The performance demo. One of the self Ibrahim. Pierre Marco de Fatomo. Michael Ampadu. Michael. Pierre I can't say the Salim Madam. Salim. The 4th from Abranton. A face of July. He was a 4th from a face of July. The man numero. The Bobo Marco and I. I got a minimum of 1 minute. Now something was saying Marcelo. Washana better considering about a year. Nisaki, the Pedeshina, Ayabamo, Sanswana, Kato, Ken Avocadania. Watching you live from Qatar, no, keep up the good work. Nisaki, what I studied, Saka Close, or 2 attempts to go. Now, good evening, boss. I'm watching you live from Accra, Ghana flag. More fire, falls. And you're outside, you're about it, glorious out the food. Champana United 1, out of 3, Kerala United 1, Shima Elumuno, Nina Swanisa, Shima Swanisa, and Chibia Central Feed, Abashana considering Abalaria, Bonamadi, Abdul Fatah Mohammed, Piamana Yama, Adam Bibi, the first man, the first baronet, Adam, the 4th Madam, sorry, Madam. Oh, Central Feed, Maxwell Usu, Wasana Medical Syria, Atapu, Shema Kamaka, Amaka United, Otukar Mubako, Kendina Baravia, here. 19 minutes of soccer fiesta. After 4-3, Carolina United won from the Nations Wembley. Across 4 stadium to the side. Commentator Nana Yawutai live on some part in the trade of one. Some part on Facebook. Cancel. And I have to take a watch here. Our commander will be assisted on SOMPA. Some part of Katiapa. Keep watching Sumpa TV. Keep listening to Sumpa FM. Listen, sir. Grandpa and Sampara and Camille. For commentator now, day. I mean, say medical. I said that. Then you have to pass out to focus on it. No, yes, I have a funny idea. I understand it. I have to one another side of you now.
That's a 3-1. Why? No, I know my papa. Almost last to the colleague, Niafana, every 4 years. I'm a bomb, I'm a bomb.
I say that was another beautiful baby job. All the support to altitude. 19 minutes in our area. Otoko. 19 minutes in our area. Asamiansa. How do I take Carabako? And now Obayano. And then Kawada Shire and Anta in Shoyaba. Otoko. It was a beautiful game by our standard. Watara football has come to stay. It was unfortunate to have to football. Elusu. 3 games in the row. Football, a match game now. I'm just being truthful to you. Compare us for criminal. As Fabian, as for the people that position on the play. She box you, she defend them, she not for them. So I think that the third was the changes my way. People are comparing themselves. I think I can know about where is the money selling man. Where would the same as you could have football, could have stuck out of 5G. All I say that was the book. Another stand out to support the battle. Mamenko, many are OD4 century, OD4. How to play? Other United one. You take on the game.
Well, you never bought Simonaba, so because not the focus dominating in the second department. Okay, and come back or make it. This is the first time I had to forget to make it come back. Abubakar Watara. Squad, you know, this game on me now, only at that so much. And when you do a black to me, I don't start getting but now. I've run the fellow to say a lot of Juma whatever because the footwork now, and they don't control or control now. I instead in the purpose of Abubakar Watara, and then Manchano and Casa, another I've got to make a in Casa. Now, in terms of the training, first message of Ayakawa, I could just run footwork in Akawa. Definitely have to force in terms of scoring ability, no making a Mama. Goes number more. All right.
So, Mamiko Sawakuto, Juma, our mother, Santawa.
It was fantastic because we have to protect the community. I think it's so much of the
drink of the moment. 5G. 5G.
5G. I'm not here at 3-1 winner. I think there's a much of opportunity. I never be here.
All right, so Shadrach, I know I from a section of some journalists and supporters now. So at the end of the entire 90 minutes, after saying Carolina United were commentator and I was from the Nations Wembley across 4 to the Shadrach. So they do have a team from Australia. The studios of Sumpa 93.1. At the end of the entire 90 minutes, half to 3, Carolina United won.
The drink of the moment. 5G. 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 5G.
This is 93.1 FM.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back.
Well, we saw for Ghana Premier League match day 26. Our the Nations Wembley match at Accra Sports Stadium. Akwa and Nigeria. And it's serious the amount of folks supporters in Kumase Accra baby biano. Meaning say Nigerian Kwana called them supporters are a supporter to folk Boku and I'm saying and then you may as a Canadian son I'm a Carolina United I'm at Tobacco. You started game ana Carolina United abranteɛ fɛ na Hamid Daffy ɔno onya first goal ɛdimo mu ekwekama ana abranteɛ fɛ na Hamza Isa ɔno ɛbɛte Kalima Hearts of Oak ana first 45 minutes no ɛba awie yakoba no ana Salim Adams ɔno 63rd minute ɔbɛnya second goal ma Hearts of Oak ana 90th minute abranteɛ ya fɛ na Hamza Isa kona the penalty ɔno ɛto so ɛnya third goal ɛdima Hearts of Oak bobokuo no. And at the end of 90 minutes, Hearts of Oak 3, Carolina United 1. Ghana Premier League match day 26. Way NFS game. And Hearts of Oak, Omo Ati, Ano Adiamaye. Yaba Homano Sena Sano, Emfa, and Asilibi, Enko, Emfa, Emma Leicester Ghana Limited. Leicester Ghana Limited. Omo Anasiasia. Amo ekrome kopium of the Nations Wembley. Yade 90 minutes commentary yade abrawo about Leicester Ghana Limited and paying for estimate for Antonio say about a toothbrush about panel de omaso here and kwan ebu abaji and I'm say your mona your duchess your princesses ni na you be on as papa je toothbrush and me pacha uyua ebo apa sama bibia kama and so ade my pacha ba num ka de ebo etu asede edi free ono eno na just toothpaste na toothpaste no your whitening sasa about your total care na ya seba about your toothpaste me say we na kodwa ma so nya bia ebebo ma woni ma da ho ebebo ma pacha num kan nyina yi ede free o ebebo ma sina fita na sanso nya hoden ni na no just toothpaste na me come for them out o copy that kejeti on about sasa na aduma Obenya doso poni bi otun bi anso akoye ede ama be pacha ginamba yi na fe Leicester Ghana Limited na empay for any nkomo sisi a be pacha chona ma le fato na empay for any nkomo anwume ya ana mo so mo ana ba e be som Ghana number no aye 0501 390 337 ana 0501 390 338 to find number na on Sabeka Leicester Ghana Limited omo ana go fa just toothpaste just toothbrush no ede abadwama so eboa na ede ni padodo na akagina mo bibia so kama ede ama omonti sa na esitie 90 minutes no Hearts of Oak 3 Carolina United 1 sa na game no esifa akwa me ba phone lines na so na fe aba abedin ko Facebook where a man Jean Rua osifobia where so at the Hearts of Oak colors no and a painting Facebook Abu Alasan where is your boy Kwaku or say I said it Nisa Kisi thank God John Jesse Asophobia Masters Cletus Gay Avoca Daniel also share the free cutter keep up the good work where if Samuel Osu or say I'm Samuel Isaac Ofoy Odum Phobia or the few was side Jemfi as all the way from Libya Tripoli and away say calculus or say more fire and also the other by or the Fikokofu General Hospital Alfred Afeli has a folk 2 Carolina 1 and away Mensan Naneka the pa as at the folk 3 Carolina 0 messages in the Dawson Facebook and some panel to the 1 FM and a pina air by Yashania Kanye fuel and so at the man channel phone lines and so 0551 931 931 and a 0548 931 931.
League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. We've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah Gyan, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League.
Okay, young woman na yemfa calls na bi mama fa my first call ha. Well, hello ne ba kasa fe.
Good evening, yes, I'm the South African Casafi.
Me wa che yanko.
Yeah, yes, now papa and you may near chamber so. I don't know, I quite very much listening now. When they had the money, when you're in India, yet I can answer say, Miss Green, every time you're not for Sako. It will be answer.
So the free offense so buy and Hearts of Oak 3 Carolina United 1. Tiana dear. Any Gisam Kwana call Edema Phobia Family as a ne. I'm already by 3 goals to 1. Sa Anna AC at Tiantiaguso. I 0551-931-931 0551-931-931 and 0548-931-931 so wait my friend now about Juma Dienso.